Hello! Welcome sa ating review ng ating 2025 Hyundai Creta. So this was released during nung May 2025 and ngayon meron na tayong bagong variant which is the N-Line Creta. So right in front of us, here is the GLS Hyundai Creta. Okay, so may kita natin sa harapan ang kanyang grille mas malapad right now and may kita natin na mas madali ang intake ng airflow para maging mas cool ang kanyang engine. Okay, so may kita natin here sa side which is the daytime running light and the kanyang headlight is on the lower profile. So mas maganda yung focus ng lights niyan pagdating sa kalsada. Okay, so for the GLS variant, we have the projector headlights and halogen bulb tayo. For the premium variant, it has an LED bulb. Okay, so what's nice with premium variant, that would have a continuous daytime running light here. Okay, so let's go next sa ating side profile. And here sa side, makita natin ang ating R17 na rims. Makita natin ang finish ng ating rims would be polished with dark gray inserts. And dito sa side natin, meron tayong mga air vents. Okay? So, right here, makita natin mga wheel arches. Okay? And here sa side, makita natin ang ating side turning lamps na located here sa side mirrors. Ating grab handlebars are chrome. Okay? Makita natin right here sa taas, which is the roof rail, which makes it more like a big SUV. And makita natin here sa side ang ating C-pillar na merong accent na silver that goes through the B-pillar and A-pillar. Kaya makita natin yung stance niya parang malapad. No? So, let's go at the back naman. And dito naman sa likod, makikita natin ang ating shark fin na antenna, ang ating spoiler, which is located dito ang high mount stop lamp. You can see our wiper, and ang ating tail light is connected from left to right with this light right here in the middle. And makikita natin ang ating logo is within the unit ng ating taillight. So makita natin it's easier to clean. Yan, very smooth. I can run through my hands through the logo na walang sumasabit or hindi siya obstacle when you are cleaning your vehicle. So here sa likod, makita natin ang ating reverse light. And dito rin located ang ating rear proximity sensors. So once you purchase this vehicle, makita nyo ito yung ating key. Okay? So that's to start the vehicle. That's a fob key. So you just put it in your pocket. You can start the engine. And then dito sa harapan, makita natin ang ating steering wheel is leather wrapped. Yan, leather wrapped. You could also tilt it. Telescopic rin siya. So para hindi nakakangawit yung ating drive, para relax lang ang ating arms pag nagda-drive. Kaya maganda yung ganyang feature. And dito sa ating cluster, yan, makita natin na mas maluwag or walang obstacle na nakaharang sa ating dashboard. Okay? So, yan, touchscreen na ang ating monitor. Yan. And then, yan, pwede natin adjust pwede natin i-adjust yung mga calendar, yung time, pwede natin i-pair yung ating phone kasi this is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto equipped. Okay? So, dito naman sa ating auto climate control, it has buttons, yan, physical buttons, which is nice kasi mas madali mo siyang kapain when you are driving. Okay, so slightly tilted ang ating infotainment system, ang ating aircon is more driver-centric. Okay, makikita natin rin dito sa gitna ang ating air vents, which is what I like because during when you are parked sa labas na hindi covered yung parking, mas madali na ngayon mag-cool ang ating mga seats, kahit leather seats yan. Yan. And wala na tayong handbrake. This is equipped with an electronic parking brake and it has auto hold also. Dito sa gitna, makikita natin ang illuminated cup holders. And dito sa gitna rin, makikita natin yung ating center compartment. Yan. So maluwag, marami tayong may lalagay dyan. Cellphones, wallets, shades. Yan. So, dito sa harapan, marami tayong mga, parang mga maliliit na shelves na more compartment talaga for the all-new Creta. Yan. So, yan yung magandang layout ng bagong Creta for the dashboard. Yan. And ngayon, nandito na tayo sa likod. You will see here yung ating speakers, ang ating switch for the power windows. Dito sa likod, hard plastic which supports the driver and the front passenger for sa kanilang seats. We also have the pockets here para sa ating mga extra compartment. Ang gusto ko dito is ngayon naka USB-C na rin ang ating for charging. So you can charge your gadgets without even bothering the passengers or driver sa harapan. Air vents. So mas mabilis na talaga ang pag-cool ng ating vehicle pagka in-on yung aircon. Okay? So ito makikita natin sa side is meron tayong cup holders dito sa ating armrest. And meron tayong mga bottle holders dito sa gilid. 2 bottle holders. 2 bottles kaya niyang i-accommodate. And for the ones sa mga family na merong booster seat or child seat, it's also ISOFIX. Yan, ISOFIX. And what I like about here sa likod is yung kanyang headroom. Okay? So I'm 5'7", aking headroom. And kanina, yung positioning ng ating driver seat is for my height. And this is the leg room that you would get. Okay? So legroom, isang dangkal. Nakikita mo. And what another thing that I like about the rear is yung seatbelts niya dito sa gitna. Kasi yung seatbelt niya sa gitna is hindi na siya lap seatbelt. So, seatbelt niya which covers the torso mismo. And you could lock it like this. Yan. So, every time, kunyari may mga sudden stop, yan. So, talagang secure ang ating rear passenger. Okay. And this is the compartment that you would get sa inyong Hyundai Creta. Yan. So, very sturdy ang kanyang board right here. And if you want an extra luggage space, let's say maglalagay kayo ng mga golf bags nyo, kasya yan dito sa likod. But if you want more space, pwede nating fold yung kanyang 60-40 split na sandalan ng passenger seat. Okay. So this side, you could also fold. So that would be the compartment na makukuha mo sa inyong Hyundai Creta. And ang makukuha mong luggage space dito is 433 liters na luggage space. And when folded, you can get more than 1,300 liters of luggage space. This Creta has a 115 horsepower. But if you're the driver that is looking for an extra power sa kanyang drive, you can get the option na N-Line Creta. The N-Line Creta has a 160 horsepower, which is also mated with a 7-speed DCT transmission. So IVT is the Intelligent Variable Transmission. Ang advantage ng ating IVT is it's more quiet and the power of the engine is more transferred to the wheels of the engine because of the IVT. Ang ating warranty naman for this is 5 years warranty or 200,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Okay, for those who are looking for the Hyundai Smart Sense, which is yung mga lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, mga rear collision avoidance, and other safety features, you could get the N-Line variant or the premium variant. As for the price, it starts at 1,134,000. That's for the GL variant. And we also have the 1,254,000 variant for this specific variant na nasa harapan natin, which is the Hyundai Creta GLS variant. And ang sumunod doon is ang premium variant, which is priced at 1,333,000 pesos. Ang ating N-Line is 1,379,000 pesos. So that's it for our review ng ating facelifted Hyundai Creta. And for those who want to test drive, visit lang kayo dito sa Commerce Avenue at Philinvest, Muntinlupa. And for discounts and for other inquiries like financing, you could just visit us and our agents will welcome you with open arms. Okay? And please follow us sa aming social medias like Facebook, Hyundai Alabang, and Instagram, Hyundai Alabang. Okay? And sa ating YouTube, don't forget to subscribe sa ating Hyundai Alabang Philinvest. Okay. See you!